How do you fix dark and darker is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam, and then you will need to check if you have the latest driver updates for your GPU. So you can use your GPU app, such as NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on what GPU you're running. And from there, you can check for updates and get the latest version and install it. And the last thing you'll need to do is open up a new browser tab and head to this link right here, where to get the latest redistributables from this table. Download the 86 and the 64 installer and install both of them, which will require you to restart your computer after the installation. And then after the restart, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.